Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add pixel to Shopify. So if you want to add Facebook pixel, you can add it very easily. Just go to the settings here and here go to the apps and sales channels, go in Shopify app store. So basically you have to install Facebook and Instagram. To install it very easy, you have to search for Facebook, and once you search for Facebook here, you will get this option of Facebook and Instagram. Just go and click on install. I've already installed it, so I will just go and click on open. Now to change the pixel, it's really easy. So first of all, you have to connect your Facebook account. So to connect it just take a 1 second to do this. Now here you have to just go and click on start setup. Now here you have to just click on connect account, click on continue whatever Facebook account you have. Now here you can see that this Facebook account is not eligible, so we'll just go back. If you face the same issue, you have to just go and connect. We will just look for in the settings. Now the problem is right now, if you get this error only applies in some of the Asian countries. Right now it is active, right? I've connected my Facebook pixel, but if you just go and click on start setup, whenever you're installing Facebook and Instagram, you will get this option. Just you have to scroll to the bottom and you will find this option. You have to choose that you want to go for shop and ads or just ads. So you have to select only ads, and then you will be able to see here. Then here to change your pixel, right? In the, you have to go to the setting, go and click on change, right? And this is a Facebook pixel ID. So once if I want to change, I can change here, but you have to go to the Facebook event manager, and here you have to create a different pixel for it. As you can see here, I have only one pixel, so I can just go and create a new pixel. For example, to create it, I have to go and click on create custom pixel, right? And then I will able to get an option to change it. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.